Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Josiah's 7th birthday and we are going to the largest indoor trampoline park in the world. Yes guys, we are going to Flying Squirrel. So guys, come with us and let the fun begin.
Attention all flying squirrel jumpers. We have a very special birthday in the house.
Mickey, you jumping? Woo! Where's your brother? Go Mickey! Whoa! Go, Chow Chow! Wow, almost! Joe, you have to come out, Joe. Yeah, go get the battle. Go battle, guys. Oh! Mickey, let go, let go. Good job. Okay, nice. Who's next?
We have a very special birthday in the house. Josiah is turning 7 years old. So guys, can we please wish him a happy birthday? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Can I get everyone in Josiah?
Thank you, Benjamin.
I know. Going in, Mickey. Careful, Zayden. Careful, you're gonna get bumped. Oh, careful. Okay, time to do some rock climbing. So one of the great thing about Flying Squirrel is that they have lots of entertainment for the kids and all different activities, all different play areas. You know, it's not just trampoline, which is really good and fun for the kids. Yes, this one is a better one for you. Go on, keep going. Okay, so this is Josiah's cake. He wanted to have the piranha character from Mario Kart. Yeah, it was awesome.
Yes. 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jojo. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? Are you seven?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.